So this is the previous program, the legal age program. Obviously, we haven't dealt with the trapping yet. We haven't done any traps, tries or accepts. But basically, you run this and type in something that's not a number, as expected, it crashes out. We don't want that happening. So let's implement the idea again. We know how it's done. We've seen a previous thing on it. So try, go somewhere, and all of these things here get indented over. Make sure the indentation is the same for the right places all the way along. I'm just tabbing each line across. Oh, too many tabs, does not help. And tab in there, tab there. So I need to put in the eAccept. So some sort of suitable error message. You need to enter a whole number. There you go. And let's just test that out. So try some mess, doesn't work. But it does come up with the error message. And then try a floating point number. Doesn't work. And of course it will still work with an actual proper whole number. You're 78. You're waiting 22 years before you get the card and the queen. You're allowed to buy booze and you've been voting for years.